Hello my lovelies, how are you all doing today? I am super excited about this. So NO7 recently reached out to me. I am part of the NO7 beauty community. If you didn't already know this, there's been a lot of videos on my channel recently about NO7 beauty, NO7 skincare, NO7 makeup. So I'm really enjoying the brand. Anyway, they recently reached out to me. They've just launched a Prime Forever range. They recently reached out to me by email and said, we would love to send you some PR. How would you feel about that? Are you interested? And I'm like, the new range, wow. I would love it. I would love to try it. And I didn't think they were going to send me the full range. But oh my gosh, they've sent me the full range, haven't they? And I just cannot wait to show you what I've got. So let me show you the box, because it doesn't come in the traditional boxes that I show you. It comes in a NO7 PR box, which makes me feel really special. Okay, so that's the box. They've obviously taken the name and address off. And then they really personalised it. I couldn't believe I got a card from them as well. First PR card. I'm definitely keeping it. So as you can see, they've personalised it to me. So nice that they've done that. Right, so let's get into it. How many things are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So I've got, I think, pretty much the whole collection. I think anyway. So let's go in. I'm just going in as they've packed it, so I'm not too sure if that's the way that you should be putting it on your face, but definitely this first. This is the NO7 Prime Forever Skin Preservation Transformative Gel to Oil Milk Cleanser. So it preps to preserve skin's visible prime. And when I use it, I'll be telling you all about this. Oh, it tells you actually prep, smooth texture, even tones and hydration. That's fine then. Even I can follow that routine. So that looks like that. So pretty. I love the packaging as well. 150 mils, 5 fluid ounces. I just feel so blessed and so lucky to have got this range. Not just one thing, the entire thing, because skincare can get quite expensive, can't it? Serum. So NO7 Prime Forever Skin Preservation, created to preserve skin's visible prime. It looks like that. And I've been seeing people try this all over my TikTok, not necessarily on my Instagram because I've not been looking for it, but definitely my TikTok. And that's what that looks like. Oh my gosh, the bottle. The bottle is stunning. Maybe we can put some on the hand and see what it can do for us. That's a bit much, I think. It's going on my jacket. Ooh. Okay. That not only... It's got a typical NO7 skincare, because I've tried a lot of skincare recently. It's got that typical NO7 skincare, and it smells so good. It smells a bit like my vitamin C, my NO7 vitamin C skincare, or at least my moisturiser. Now, I don't know what ingredients are in this. I'm probably way off. But that's what I'm getting so far. I'm just going to let that soak into the skin, and then maybe we can talk more about that. Right, then they've put this in, this NO7 Prime Forever Skin Preservation Weightless Moisturiser. I think I'm going to show you that. I'll show you that now. So it looks like that. This is bougie as well. I was looking at this at my mum's yesterday because it got delivered to her address. How much is in here? 50 mils. 1.69 fluid ounces. Come on, you can't say that is not fancy. It's got a nice little... I've not actually smelt this or actually done anything with it. It looks like a water cream, which are my favourite moisturisers to use. Can't wait to use that. And I like what it says here, in your prime always. Okay, they also sent the NO7 Prime Forever Skin Preservation Reusable Silicone Under Eye Patches. I have never come across these reusable, or any brand that does reusable silicone under eye patches. And it says here that they complement the benefits of your favourite formulas, that they're reusable, and that they work with Prime Forever range to visibly refresh and depuff under the eyes. And it says put them in the fridge for an extra refreshing and cooling effect. So they'll be going in the fridge. I like the fact that it comes in this little travel container as well, so I can take it out with me on the days that I'm not at home. And then the last thing is an SPF 50 primer. I think this is great. So we've got the number 7 Prime Forever Skin Preservation SPF 50 primer, and this is 50 ml or 1.69 fluid ounces. I am blessed, guys. I am blessed. And again, bougie packaging over here. That one's really not sunken. That one's not really sunk into the skin. Maybe I'll put it on this side. Because I mean, I can't do this with everything, but come on. Oh, this one is more of a cream formula, whereas the other one was more serum. So let's just put that into the skin. That feels nice, actually. So this doesn't smell like the serum did, but it feels like it's doing something like blurring effect. Compared to this, where we've got wrinkles there, this, it feels like it's blurring. I don't know if that's what it's meant to do. Our most advanced sun protection powered by our exclusive glaciology. Number 7 Prime Forever SPF 50 primer protects against the key causes of accelerated aging to help preserve skin's visible prime. These multiple factors may cause accelerating skin aging. These include UVA and UVB rays, which cause damage, free radicals, which cause stress to the skin, and degrading enzymes that break down collagen and elastin. Glaciology, with our world-first peptide technology to support skin's self-protection against accelerated visible aging. It doesn't say anything. Hang on. Yeah, it doesn't say anything about the fact that it's blurring, but to me it looks very, very blurring. Oh, I just can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait to get it all on the face. So you'll be seeing it very, very soon. So this is going to go on last, right? Because it's that SPF. You put that on before you put your makeup on. I think they've done it in the way you apply it, personally. I think it's in the box the way you apply it. Anyway, let's bring the box up and show you what I've got again. Oh, without further ado, thank you so much, number 7, for sending me this package. I really, really appreciate it, and I can't wait to use all the products, and I'll be doing a video in the next few days.